Now, if you are an affiliate marketer, a network marketer, or any kind of internet marketer that's doing Facebook marketing, you gotta stop doing this one thing if you're doing it. All right, let me be honest with you. All right, I plan out all my videos. I got a big list, a schedule of videos that I do. That's why I'm on here so much, just dropping content. But like this video I'm doing right now, just happened because I go through this a lot on Facebook, and I'm like, you know what? Let me do a quick video about it. All right. So I be on Facebook, you know, from time to time. I do majority of my marketing is on YouTube. I am a YouTuber, but you know, I'm on Facebook. I do a little bit of marketing on Facebook, enough where if you was on my Facebook page, you would know that I'm into, you know, making money online opportunities. I'm into fitness and music. You can tell that from my page. All right. But I get these messages from time to time, you know, people do. I got a new private message, right? And it's from a person, you know, I don't know, right? I might be in a group with them or maybe not, but they start off the conversation, hey, how's it going? Right? And that's cool, I guess. You know what I'm saying? It's kind of cool. And then I'll be like, you know, I'm a nice guy. So I'll say like, hey, great. How's it going? Right? But I instantly already know the deal. I can look at the person's profile picture and, you know, I can tell, I already know what's about to pop, right? Keep in mind, I've been doing this internet thing for over 15 damn years. All right. I've been doing this. All right. But I digress. So anyway, I get a message from somebody like, hey, how you doing? I message back. Hey, how you doing, man? Doing good. Then they'll message back. So, you know, everything going good? And you know, how's everything going? I'm like, great. You know, you just asked me how I'm doing. Now you say, I'm good. I'm cool. Right? Boom, leave it alone. They'll come back. Hey, so you in the internet marketing, huh? Question mark. I'm like, being nice. You know, I'm like, yeah. Right? Keep in mind, God, I stay busy. Right? I'm on the computer a lot, so it's easy for me to respond. But like, I stay doing stuff. But I'm cool, so I'm still ding in my ear. All right, let me click over. Okay, what's up? So, you in the internet marketing? Yeah. Oh, so are you into what? Field marketing, network marketing? Question mark. All these little baby ass questions, right? And I'm just like, dude, like, get to the point, right? And I actually did that one time because I was annoyed. I actually was just like, look, what are you selling? What's your opportunity? What's the software? What's the pitch? I literally had to say that, right? And my point being, if you are doing the Facebook marketing, there's tons of different strategies and people have different strategies, but like, look, that whole build rapport, whatever the word is, and that like getting to know somebody and all that and just kind of talking like you want to be a friend, to me, that's trash. With this day and age, people can spot that a mile away. I prefer, yes, if you don't know a person, yes, ain't nothing wrong with saying, hey, how you doing, right? But soon as the person respond back and say, hey, I'm doing good, boom, get right to the point, right? It's the way that you can word things. You don't have to just send somebody, you know, to your affiliate page or your ad or whatever, but just be like, hey, how you doing? Somebody responds, say, yeah, doing good. Get to it. So say, hey, you know, I just got involved with this one company. I figured that you might be interested in this. Check it out. If you like it, let me know. Just leave it at that. Just leave it at that. Because to me, if somebody came at me like that, I would respect it more. And if the opportunity did look decent or the software or whatever they promoting, then I might actually mess with them, right? But this whole thing, like, you don't really care how my day going. You don't. You don't care if I'm in a happy relationship. You don't care if I'm cranky today or in the bad. You don't. All you want to know is if I'm a good prospect for your opportunity. And you can do that by being nice, right? But also you need to get to the damn point. To me, that is so whack. People waste their time. You wasting 5-6 messages on act like you trying to get to know me when you could care less, because ultimately, and I don't be wrong, because ultimately through all these messages, 12 messages, at the end of the day, they're like, so, you know, you want to get into crypto? So you want to buy some solo ads, right? I'm like, man, you could have got to that like 3 days ago, right? So if you are getting in, using Facebook marketing or messaging, if you're messaging people, just get to the point. Trust me when I tell you. I don't care what nobody else tell you. Listen to me on this one. Get to the damn point. All right? Just get to the point. You'll be respected more, and you'll build actually more relationships when you just get to the point. All right?